Hey everyone, I'm FAQ Fred, and in this video, I'm going to answer the question, what is revenue? Revenue is the amount of money a company brings in through its operations. It's the income a company generates from selling its products or services. Revenue is often used as a key performance indicator for a business. It's important for businesses to track their revenue and ensure that it's increasing over time. Revenue is also used to calculate important financial metrics like gross profit and net income. However, it's crucial to distinguish revenue from profit. Revenue is the total income a company earns, while profit is what's left after subtracting all expenses. Revenue is the top line figure, meaning it shows how much money a company brings in before any costs are deducted. Profit, on the other hand, shows how much money a company actually keeps after paying for production, operations, taxes, and other expenses. A company can have high revenue, but still not be profitable if its expenses are too high. While revenue can change based on how much a company sells and the prices it charges, profit tells us more about the company's efficiency and long-term success. So while revenue highlights a company's ability to sell, profit shows how well it manages its finances. In short, revenue is a crucial measure of companies' financial health and success. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more informative and educative videos like this one. See you in the next one.